In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign lanes in custom bots, League of Legends. If you want to practice specific matchups, learn wave management, or just create a more realistic team layout in a custom game, assigning lanes to bots is a quick and effective way to do it. I'll walk you through the process and point out what each option means, so nothing feels confusing. Once you're in your custom game lobby, look for the Add Bot button. Click it to place a bot into an empty slot on either team. As soon as you add a bot, you'll see several options attached to that slot. You'll notice the champion assigned to the bot, a role selector, and the difficulty setting. For our purpose, focus on the role area, because that's what controls where the bot will go on the map. Click the role icon to open the role choices. You'll see options that correspond to the standard positions in League: top, jungle, mid, bottom, and support. Pick the role you want that bot to play. This tells the bot which lane to prioritize and how to behave during the game. For example, choosing top places the bot in the top lane. Mid sends it to mid lane. Jungle makes it roam and farm camps. Bottom typically fills the marksman slot in bot lane. And support pairs with bottom to complete the duo lane. After you select the role, you'll see the icon update in the slot, confirming your choice. That's all you need to do to assign a lane to that bot. If you're adding multiple bots, assign a role to each one so your custom game has a sensible team structure. Keeping roles consistent with standard team compositions helps the bots spread out correctly and makes practice more meaningful. A quick note on the other options you see. Champion and difficulty appear alongside the role, but they're separate from lane assignment. The champion is simply which character the bot uses, and difficulty affects how demanding the bot's behavior feels. Your lane selection will work regardless of the difficulty you choose. Before you start, take a moment to ensure every bot shows the intended role in its slot. Clear roles help prevent lane overlaps and make it easier to drill specific skills, like last hitting in a solo lane, contesting mid-priority, or practicing jungle pathing with a predictable opponent. That's it. Assign the role for each bot you add, and you're ready to jump into your custom game with lanes set exactly the way you want. Enjoy your practice, and have fun refining your strategy.